Alright, so I don't know if it comes with light bulbs. I hope it does, but I do not know for sure. It's already pre-corded, so all you gotta do is just take off the plastic, twist on. Should turn on pretty easy. Maybe wiggle it back and forth to get it on. Some of these things are a little hard sometimes. What you can do is go ahead and push that line if you're able to. We might actually have to pull it from the bottom, so let's see here. Yes. So what you want to do is pull the bottom and pull it out more. This will give you more cord length, so you want to pull it until it's tight. Okay, now we got that on. So these are adjustable, the lights here. So you can adjust these lights, and looks like that one's a little loose, so I think you can use a screwdriver to tighten it to make it stand where you want it to stay. Unless it twists. Okay. So it looks like you can twist it, but it's basically like this, and you can adjust them to where you want, turn them to adjust them down, and so forth. So let's go ahead and get some light. So there we go. They are working great. We only had 2 light bulbs, so we need to find others, but these are a warmer light bulb. They're a lot different than these lights over here. They are brighter, these are warmer.